Hi, my name is Guru. I will be your guide for this topic. Today, we will be studying the following topic: Unit 1: Safety Practice and Hand Tools. In this topic, we will study safety rules, safety signs, and hazards, fire and types of fire extinguishers, rescue operations, first aid treatment, and artificial respiration, disposal of waste material, personal protective equipment, and guidelines for cleanliness of workshop and maintenance. Let us start with the first topic: safety rules to be adopted by an electrician. Do not touch bare conductors. Replace or remove fuses only after switching off the circuit switches. Never extend electrical circuits by using temporary wiring. Use always earth connection for all electrical appliances along with 3-pin sockets and plugs. Only after identifying the procedure of operation, operate any machine or apparatus. Kinds of road signs: mandatory signs, cautionary signs, informatory signs. The cautionary signs are: the informatory signs are the mandatory signs are different types of fire: Class A fire, Class B fire, Class C fire, Class D fire. Now let us study different types of fire extinguishers. Water-filled fire extinguisher. They may be either gas cartridge or stored pressure type. They are filled with water along with some amount of CO2. Most suitable for Class A fires, that is, cloth, wood, etc. Very dangerous for Class B and C fires. Can spread the flammable liquid and can cause shock. Foam-filled fire extinguisher. These may be of stored pressure or gas cartridge types. Foam separate the oxygen element from the other elements in fire. Most suitable for flammable liquid fires, running liquid fires. Must not be used on fires where electrical equipment is involved. Dry powder filled fire extinguisher. Extinguishers fitted with dry powder may be of the gas cartridge or stored pressure type. They extinguish the fire by separating the fuel from the oxygen element. Best suited for Class D fires, that is, metals. Useless in all other types of fire. Carbon dioxide filled fire extinguisher. This extinguisher takes away oxygen supply to fire with the help of carbon dioxide. This type is easily distinguished by the distinctively shaped discharge horn. Most suitable for fires involving liquids, electrical fires. Halon filled fire extinguisher. They may be either gas cartridge or stored pressure type. They contain halon gas that is very effective in extinguishing a fire. More suitable for fire involving liquids, electrical equipments, rescue operation, first aid treatment, artificial respiration. How to rescue a person who is in contact with a live wire. Stand on some insulating material such as dry wood, rubber, or plastic, or newspaper, and then pull his shirt sleeves. Avoid direct contact with the victim. Wrap your hands in dry material if rubber gloves are not available. If uninsulated, do not touch the victim until the circuit is made dead. If the victim is unconscious but is breathing, loosen the clothing about the neck, chest, and waist and place the victim in the recovery position. Keep a constant check on the breathing and pulse rate. Keep the casualty warm and comfortable in the recover position. Send for help. First aid treatment. First aid is emergency care given immediately to an injured person. The purpose of first aid is to minimize injury and future disability. In serious cases, first aid may be necessary to keep the victim alive. ABC of first aid. ABC stands for airway, breathing, and circulation. Airway. Attention must first be brought to the airway to ensure it is clear. Obstruction is a life-threatening emergency. Breathing. Breathing if stops, the victim may die soon. Hence, means of providing support for breathing is an important next step. There are several methods practiced in first aid. Circulation. Blood circulation is vital to keep person alive. The first aiders now train to go straight to chest compressions through CPR methods. Disposal of waste material. Waste can be broadly classified as follows: rural waste, urban waste. Urban waste can further classified into solid waste and liquid waste. Some of the waste material in workshop are as follows: methods of disposal of waste. The different methods of disposal of waste are recycling, composing, landfill, incineration, waste compaction, reuse, animal feed, firewood. Personal protective equipment PPE. Definition: PPEs are the devices, equipment, or clothing used or worn by the employees as a last resort to protect against hazards in workplace. Categories of PPEs. Depending upon the nature of hazard, the PPE is broadly divided into the following two categories: non-respiratory, those used for protection against injury from the outside body, that is, for protecting the head, eye, face, hand, arm, foot, leg, and other body parts. Respiratory, those used for protection from harm due to inhalation of contaminated air. Some of the major PPEs used in industry are helmet, nose mask, industrial safety boot, hand gloves, goggles, hand screen, bodyguard, Guidelines for cleanliness of workshop and maintenance. Reasons for cleaning the workplace. Cleaning of dry floors essentially to prevent slips and falls in the workplace. Disinfectants prevents the spread germs and illness because it will stop germs in their tracks. Proper air filtration reduces the exposures of hazardous substances like dust and vapors. Cleaning of light fixtures improve lighting efficiency. Using green cleaning products which is safer for both employees and the environment. Proper disposal of waste and recyclable materials keeps work areas clean. The 5S concept. Sort. Clearly distinguish needed items from unneeded and eliminate the latter. Straighten. Keep needed items in the correct place to allow for easy and immediate retrieval. Shine. Keep the workplace neat and clean. Standardize. The method by which sort, straighten, and shine are made habitual. Sustain. Maintain established procedures.
Hi, my name is Sita. With this, you complete your Unit 1 of Trade Electrician. Now, you know all the concepts related to safety. I will be helping you to solve your queries. Kindly go to the below link to submit your queries.